under pressure, tapos be able to speak at least one European language. Ang salary ng director of sales is $109 or 4 million. 4 million.
Dapat in-short pala, dapat purpose ka.
Perfect
Yes.
lang.
Dapat purpose ka.
4 million. Tapos,
Fidel.
Director of Guns and Safety.
Kayla.
The Director of Sales.
Kayla.
Responsible for sales on the teleservices, coordinate reservations manager, runs and sales manager, reservations manager. Runs and sales, Director of Runs and Sales is responsible for nagsusolicit siya, tapos qualifying and developing runs and business travel accounts ranging in volume from 50 to 1,000 room nights annually. Ang salary ng Director of Runs and Sales is $50,000 or nasa 2 million.
Malaki yung ano naman siguro ng mga restaurant.
At saka dapat matagal na sila sa service ba?
Mamahaling Jeje
Hindi
ka.
naman halimbawa mag-apply ka.
Oo, syempre.
Mabilis din yung start lang agad sa mata.
Syempre may qualification